We 50-year-olds gotta stick together. You know what I'm saying? I'm 50 years old today. That's why I have these pore strips all over my face. Because not only the wrinkles and the zits, but the pores in my mustache area is for the nose, I know. I was out of the face ones, which are on my chin. Y'all have a good day. Here's what I got for you this week on the vlog. Best sanding hack you'll ever see. Best one, requested by millions. Oh, 20 people or something. Fabulous use number 8052 for a black Sharpie or any color Sharpie. And a lot of footage of Cinco. Don't go away. 10 seconds, maybe 10 seconds. Let me know in the comments if you like dogs, if you have a dog, if you hate dogs, that person, whatever it is. It will spark a joy. Waxing of a table, time lapse. I can't do it. Check it out. I do have a DIY hack. If you're willing to be a tiny bit janky, mostly fabulous, or if you just don't want to buy a new rug right now. These runs in it from being pulled, whatever. Black Sharpie, baby. I mean, because this is black. But if you can find a marker or paint, I've done that as well, that matches the color. Look at that. I am telling you, look. Oh, I mean, look at that. Yeah. Do you think I can't see you? Where'd Cinco go? Oh gosh. Cinco. Oh, where'd he go? I don't know. You think you're in trouble? It's like Chewbacca a little bit. A trifold project. So on the outside of the poster board, it just feels wrong sending this with my daughter's name on it. So I'm Sharpieing that up. My name is Sally O'Malley. I'm 50 years old. I'm not one of these ladies who's afraid to say their real age. And I like to kick, stretch, and kick. I'm 50 years old. 50 years old. Gosh, Sally, today is actually my 50th birthday. Can't believe it. Well, that's why I came to see you. We 50-year-olds gotta stick together. You know what I'm saying? I like your outfit. It's flattering. I like your videos, little lady. It's fun. So this is what the floor typically looks like when I'm done doing the Dion. How to clean up a hardwood floor. If you take a razor blade and, I mean gently, obviously not like this, but if you hold it at an angle like this, you can just pop off. And this works for marble countertops, granite. It does not harm them. sanding hack that if you will put a little bit of water and a little drop or two of dish soap on the surface, sort of a barrier to keep it from scratching. I actually would like higher than this, but this is 220. Oh, that is much better. Good stuff. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed what you watched, please consider subscribing, liking, and subscribing. I think it's here now. I mean, it hasn't moved. I'm just still trying to figure it out. Right there. Thanks for watching. That was... Whew. I can't move fast enough for that. It will spark a joy. That's funny. Okay. What else do I have for you?